Finally, Micromax has launched the long-awaited InNote 1 in Indian market. The InNote 1 is competing with Xiaomi's Redmi Note 9, which is already doing well in the market. Both phones has almost same price, processor and specifications, but will the InNote 1 win the competition against the Chinese competitor? Let's have a look. Let's have a look at their price. Micromax InNote 1 is priced at 10,999 INR for 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant, whereas Redmi Note 9 is priced at 11,999 INR for 4GB RAM and 64GB storage variant. The Redmi Note 9 has 4GB and 6GB RAM options, while the InNote 1 has a single 4GB RAM variant. Both the phone have 64GB and 128GB storage variants. The price of Micromax InNote 1 is comparatively low than the Redmi Note 9. The Redmi Note 9 runs on MIUI, while the InNote 1 runs on stock Android OS. As you know that we can do lots of customizations on MIUI. Also, MIUI has lots of ads and bloatwares in it, but stock Android gives you neat and clean interface and no any ads or bloatware will be there. In addition, Micromax has promised of giving 2 years continuous update. The Redmi Note 9 and InNote 1 are powered by the same MediaTek Helio G85 and clock speed of up to 2.0 GHz. For graphics, the processor is coupled with a Mali G52 GPU on both smartphones. In theory, both smartphones should work similarly and their output will likely be all similar. Now let's talk about their build quality. Both has plastic body design with gradient finish. Build quality is almost same on both devices, but Micromax has a little good looking glossy back panel than Redmi Note 9. The InNote 1 has a 48 megapixel main camera, so does the Redmi Note 9. So theoretically both phones will offer same kind of photography. Of course, both phones have more sensors, but it is the main camera that should matter the most. The InNote 1 has a 5 megapixel secondary camera for wide angle and two 2 megapixel cameras for macro and depth, while the Redmi Note 9 has an 8 megapixel wide angle secondary camera and two 2 megapixel macro and depth sensors as on Micromax. For selfie, the InNote 1 has a 16 megapixel camera, but the Redmi Note 9 has only 13 megapixel camera. Both has punch hole selfie camera. In Micromax, it is aligned on center, whereas in Redmi, it is on top left side. Now talking about display, the Redmi Note 9 has a 6.5-inch display with Gorilla Glass 5 protection in it, while the InNote 1 has a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, and for now there is no mention of glass type used, which is not a good thing. They should have provided Gorilla Glass 5 protection and mentioned on launch event too. The Redmi Note 9 is backed with 5020 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging, and the Micromax InNote 1 is backed with 5000 mAh battery with the same 18-watt fast charging. Both of these phones have Type-C port and also support reverse charging. As we can see, the Redmi Note 9 and InNote 1 have identical battery specifications, which means both of them should provide almost same usage time. But as we know that one may be better than the other, as the battery life depends on the usage pattern of every person along with software optimizations that makes it better. Both phone has almost every sensors available in it, and fingerprint sensor is also available on back side, but Redmi Note 9 has IR blaster available, which is missing on Micromax InNote 1. Both of these phones have almost same features available with a little bit of minor changes. So which one is better? According to me, both of these phones provide value for money to customers. It depends on everyone's personal preference which phone they want to buy. If you love Xiaomi phones and like to customize MIUI, then you can buy Redmi Note 9. It also has 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, IR blasters, Gorilla Glass 5 protection in it. But if you want to get stock Android experience with no any ads or bloatwares, big display and little better design and better selfie camera with Indian brand, then you can go for Micromax in Note 1. Also, it is 1000 cheaper than Redmi Note 9. If I have to choose one of them, then I'll go for Micromax in Note 1 because of its stock Android and low price. So this is my honest opinion for these smartphones. I hope you find this video useful, and if you do, then hit the like button, comment down below which phone do you think is the best, and share this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed our Cracksuede YouTube channel, then please subscribe it and hit the notification bell. So thank you for watching this video till the end. I'll see you on my next video. Until then, goodbye.